Hello everyone, I am Saurabh and currently I am working as a software engineer in Mumbai. I have completed courses on Java, Spring and Hibernate from Mikado Solutions. My learning experience was great with Mikado Solutions. Sanjay sir is a really good trainer. He is having years of experience in training students and industry professionals. He will make sure you understand and learn each and every concept thoroughly. He will make sure you implement and practice all these concepts, which is, I think, the really important part in learning any programming language. If you perform well, they will also help you to get placed in good IT companies. And I will recommend this institute to each and everyone who wants to learn programming, who wants to start their career in IT industry. Thank you.